Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to see how I got this easy sunset makeup look, just stay tuned and keep watching. Now that you have both brows cleaned up, you're just gonna bring the concealer down and blend everything out using the leftover concealer and just put it all over that lid. Now this look here is super easy because we're only using two pigments for this eye look. The first pigment, we're gonna just do patting motions and then blend it out. Start off small with a little bit of a product and then work your way up. Now that both of your eyes look the same, you're going to go into your second pigment and place that pigment on the place of your eye that has no shadow yet. And then for the final step, to make sure that this look looks nice and blended, use just a regular clean brush and blend the two colors together, and then follow up with mascara and lashes. Now going in with the same Shape Tape concealer from Tarte, we're going to place a little bit under our eyes just to kind of highlight and conceal. I do like for my concealer to dry down a bit first before I blend it out because it typically gives you a little bit more coverage before blending it out with either a brush or a sponge. So that's just what I'm doing now. I am going to be using the middle shade in this contour palette just to contour my nose a bit. And then when I contour my cheeks, I'm going to use both the middle shade as well as the darker contour shade just to give my cheeks some definition. This step here is optional. I'm just taking my sponge with my leftover powder, just kind of carving out the cheeks just a tad bit, just to kind of make my contour pop. And that's the end, y'all. This look here was super easy, super pretty. It's easy for anybody to do. I only used 2 pigments to complete this look. Yeah, and that's all. So if you guys want to see what I have next, or see what other uploads I may come up with, just definitely stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel, of course. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let's chat down below. If you have any other questions or anything like that, just let me know. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, and don't forget, quarantine yourself, stay safe, wash your hands, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys later. Bye.